Have you ever dreamed of escaping into the vast wilderness, where the skies stretch endlessly, and adventure awaits at every turn? Welcome to Dubai, where you exploring historic neighborhoods, and enjoying stunning public beaches, to visiting vibrant markets, and indulging in affordable local cuisine. There's plenty to do without breaking the bank. Number 1. Explore Dubai's historic districts. Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood. Wander through the narrow lanes of the Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood, where you can see traditional wind tower architecture that dates back to the early 1900s. This area offers a glimpse into Dubai's past, featuring restored buildings now housing museums, art galleries, and cultural centers. Visit the Coffee Museum to learn about the history and culture of coffee, and the Coin Museum to see rare and ancient coins. Entry to many of these museums is free or costs just a few dirhams. Dubai Museum. Housed in the Al Fahidi Fort, the Dubai Museum is a must-visit for anyone interested in the city's history. For a nominal fee, you can explore exhibits that showcase Dubai's transformation from a fishing village to a modern metropolis. The museum features life-sized dioramas and artifacts that tell the story of Dubai's past. Number 2. Enjoy Dubai's public beaches. Jumeirah Beach. Jumeirah Beach is one of Dubai's most famous public beaches, offering a stunning view of the iconic Burj Al Arab. It's a perfect spot to relax, swim, and enjoy the sun without spending any money. The beach is well maintained and has facilities like showers and changing rooms. Kite Beach. Known for its vibrant atmosphere and water sports, Kite Beach is another great spot for a budget-friendly day out. You can enjoy activities like kite surfing, paddleboarding, and volleyball, or simply relax on the sand. Bring your own snacks and drinks to save money on food. Number 3. Visit free and low-cost attractions. Dubai Fountain Show. Located at the base of the Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Fountain Show is a spectacular water and light show that you can watch for free. The fountains are choreographed to music and light, creating a mesmerizing display. The show runs several times each evening, so you can plan your visit around it. Al Seef. Al Seef is a charming area along Dubai Creek that blends old and new Dubai. Stroll along the waterfront, explore the traditional souks, and enjoy the ambiance without spending much. There are also affordable dining options, where you can try local and international cuisines. Dubai Creek. For just one United Arab Emirates dirham, take an Abra ride across Dubai Creek. This short trip offers beautiful views of the city and a unique perspective on Dubai's trading history. It's an affordable and enjoyable way to experience local culture. Number 4. Discover cultural and natural wonders. Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. Visit the Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary to see flamingos and other wildlife in their natural habitat. This wetland reserve is free to enter and offers a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. It's a great spot for birdwatching and photography. Al Marmoom Desert Conservation Reserve. Explore the vast desert landscape of the Al Marmoom Desert Conservation Reserve. This area is perfect for hiking, picnicking, and potentially spotting wildlife. There are free public areas where you can enjoy the beauty of the desert without spending a dime. Number 5. Explore markets and shopping districts. Gold Souk and Spice Souk. Located in Deira, the Gold Souk and Spice Souk are bustling traditional markets where you can experience the vibrant atmosphere and rich culture of Dubai. While buying gold might not fit a tight budget, window shopping and immersing yourself in the lively environment are free. Global Village. For a small entry fee, Global Village offers a unique cultural experience with pavilions from various countries, live performances, and affordable dining options. It's a fun place to explore international cultures and try different foods without spending much. Number 6. Affordable dining. Street food and local cafes. Explore areas like Al Karama, Satwa,